Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are doing something different. We are doing a DIY job on my car. We are going to fit the mud flaps and maybe some few things. But right now we are going to ShopRite to buy something. I think I can say the tools to install the mud flap. Yeah, so guys, we are here to buy something, a tools. I don't even know the name of the tools, but I just know that it's the tools. Come along. I'm not even sure if I will find that thing here, but guys, this ShopRite looks poor than other ShopRite that I know. I think this. Hey. Yeah. I think I'm in the wrong ShopRite right now because I can't see what I'm looking for. Guys, we're in the wrong ShopRite. Right now, I don't know where I will find that thing. So guys, we're back again. We went to ShopRite. We didn't get what we were looking for, but now we are going to look at the checkers and Pick n Pay. If we don't find that thing, I believe that Louis Richard, guys, they're not doing the right thing. But so far, don't worry. I think we'll get it. We can't find it on two different shops, and then we don't find it. I think here we're gonna find it, and then we're gonna start with our video installing the mud flap shop. So guys, now we are in the checkers, in the crossing mall, Nakano crossing mall. So this is where our hopes are right now, and it seems like win is a win. We got it. This is what we are looking for, guys. And we went to ShopRite. ShopRite doesn't have it, but here we got it. So this is what will help us to install the mud flaps. So let's go and pay and install our mud flaps. If it happens that we find that we are struggling, we have to get something like this, I guess. But this one will be expensive, But we need something like a plier. Yeah. Something like this. This is what will help us if we fail to take out those plastics that hold the inner fender, because we have to take those plastic out and then we install it. But sometimes those plastic, they do broke inside. So if they do broke, we need a plier to take it out. Hopefully we won't break anything. So if we break, we will come back and buy this thing. So now let's go and pay for this, and yeah, that's it. We are at Suzuki dealership, call it Macaro. We are here to buy our mud flap and install them right here, because they gave me a quotation, and the quotation of mud flap, I think, is 360 something rand, and then except that part, the installation is almost 400 rand. So the installation is more than what you're buying. all those things was 900 and something. The MudFlaps plus the installation. So I decided that I would do it myself, right here at their own dealership, like DIYJob, something like that. So there's a lot of Suzukis. So guys, this is what they have here. They have a lot of Suzukis, as you can see. Those are the Suzukis they have. But I can only spot one GLX. This is the GLX that I have. But this black one looks nice, guys. What do you think? Comment down below. So these guys are a lot. Seems like they knew what people want. They bring them all here. So cool. Let me get inside there and buy the MudFlaps and install them here. Just give me 10 minutes. The MudFlaps. Unfortunately, they told us that you order them, but when I called for quotation, they didn't even tell me that you order this things and then they will come after a week. So I decided that I guess you already see this place. It's been time and time coming to this place. So I decided to come here for a lunch because they really disappoint me. I thought I was going to get the MudFlaps and install them for you guys, because on the quotation the MudFlaps are 360. How can I say 362 rand with cents. That price alone is cheaper when I include labor. When I include labor, it went to 900 something rand, which means they're saying a labor is 400 and something rand, which means I'm buying something which is worth less than a labor. So I was like, I was going to install them inside their own dealership doing a DIY job. So guys, for now we just have to wait for a week for MudFlaps to come back, and we're gonna come back and collect them and install them. I just thought that it was going to happen in one video, but yes, it won't be in one video, but it will be close. Maybe I will make it a one video. Who knows? I will tell you guys. So we are still with Suzuki, with our ChannelCar Suzuki Swift 1.2 GLX, the top spec model. So guys, I will see you on the next one. Drive safe.